The Solomon's knot is one of the most commonplace of the motifs you'll see in a Roman mosaic, but there is one example in the Corinium Museum in the UK which is quite different from these conventional ones. If you're new here, I'm Lawrence. I've been making copies of Roman mosaics for about 23 years, and I've also been trying to figure out how they actually worked when they were setting these pieces in the first place. So this is the conventional one. You can see that it's not really a knot, it's two chain links interwoven, and also that they are slightly offset. So it's not, it achieves a cross shape, but you can see how they're offset from this center area. Let's have a look at the example. This is my copy that I've made of the one in Corinium. Now, can you see the difference? Can you see that this one is more centralized? This one is more, it creates the effect of more like a conventional cross. Now, what they've done here is the white tesserae here, the mosaic tiles, have replaced what is black here on the conventional ones. So, have a look at this and see if we can figure out what they've done, and then we're going to try and understand why. So, let's put a drawing up here just so you can see the difference there. So what we've got first off is you can see that there's this center cross shape in white, which you don't get. In the center here, there's just one single, you can't quite see it, one single white tesserae there, but this is a cross. So let's see if we can turn this one into that type of pattern. We're going to have to open it up first. Now then, so we've got this white cross, so let's add the extra tesserae in there. We've got that there, and one's on either side. So let's put that line then back up there. Okay, now that gets us that center cross that you see here, but we've now got gaps here. So let's add the extra there. You can see on this one, there's that extra black tesserae underneath. So we're going to put that in as well. Let's start with the green. And up here. And now with the red. And lastly, they sort of fit together. Okay, now can you see, if we get up this copy, that we've got that center cross, so we've centered it, whereas originally it had been slightly offset, the correct version, if you like. This is what we call is it a mistake or is it a different pattern? But you can see how by just moving these out, adding those extra lines in, that we've got the conventional Solomon's knot that's become something like this. It's the same sort of pattern. The big question is why? Why is it like that? Why is the Corinium version like that? Is it a mistake or is it deliberate? If it's a mistake, was it a mosaicist that just wasn't quite au fait with it? You have craftspeople, artisans, who a lot could have been slaves, even freedmen. They would have had no education whatsoever. Maybe on teams you'd have had someone who was a bit more au fait with the geometry. So did they just get it wrong? Or was it deliberate? Were they creating something that was almost like a signature? I don't know. I really, it seems very definite in the way that it's been done. it seems also something logical if you said to someone to make a pattern in mosaic using this sort of shape, and if they didn't know what the others looked like, they might have created something like this. So let me know in the comments, was it a mistake or was it deliberate and we just don't have any more evidence? We don't have other mosaics where that team has worked and done something like that. Thanks for watching.